Hello all, welcome to Tech Easy.
Hello everyone, today in this video we'll try to download and install WordPress on localhost. For to install WordPress on localhost we need two softwares, which is Xampp server, which will run in the local, and WordPress. So first of all, on your Chrome, browse through Google, and in Google you can search for download Xampp for Windows. And the first website, apachefriends.org, you can just click on this. So that first I'll download this Xampp. See here, this is for Windows. Mine is Windows 11 laptop, and this works same for the Windows 10 too. Don't worry. So this is the latest version. See here, 8.2.12. So I'll just click on this download 64-bit. Mine is a 64-bit operating system. So as soon as I click on this, the download gets started. Yeah, see here, the download is getting started. It is 150 MB. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll download this WordPress also. For to download WordPress, again browse through google.com, just search as WordPress org. So here is where you can download WordPress from the official site. So yeah, click on this first site, www.wordpress.org, and here also just try to download the latest version for the Windows. Yeah, see here, if I click on get WordPress, there are some downloads links here, and download WordPress 6.6.2. so this is the latest version. So the download is immediately started. So this also gets done. Meanwhile, we'll try to install this Xampp server. Double click on this, so that when you double click on this, this will run on your computer. So if it asks for the permission to run on your computer, you need to click on S, as you are giving the permission for this software to be uh, installed on your computer. So I just clicked on S for the permission to install this particular Xampp server on my Windows laptop. So the installation process has been started. Meanwhile, this WordPress is getting downloaded. Yeah, see here, welcome to Xampp. The installation process for the Xampp has been started. Okay, you need to click on next. Click on next. See here, this you need to remember. See here, under C it is getting installed. So I'll click on next. Click on English, that's fine. Click on next. It may take 1 or 2 minutes for the installation to be completed. So I'll be getting back to the, yeah, it took me almost like 10 minutes. While it is getting finished, what you can do is you can open your download folder, and you can unzip this downloaded WordPress file, or you can unzip directly here, or you can copy it to somewhere location and unzip. So on the folder of WordPress download, right click on it with WinRAR or whatever the software available. Click on extract files. What I'll do is for my convenience purpose, what I did is I just copied that to a folder called WordPress. Means under C, I just made a folder called WordPress, and here I pasted the zip folder, and here I just unzip this. You can do like this, or you can directly unzip on the download folder, whatever it may be. Finally, you need to get this folder, WordPress folder. We need to copy this and we need to paste in Xampp folder location. I'll show you. Yeah, see here, completing the Xampp setup wizard. Setup has finished. Okay. Do you want to start the control panel? Yes. You need to click on finish so that it will start the control panel. We shouldn't close this control panel. This control panel should run in the background. See here. There are two servers here, Apache and MySQL. For this, I need these two. So I'll start this both. I'll start the Apache and I'll start this MySQL. Whatever the errors, see here, the errors will show up here, but for now we'll
See, I got a issue or a error that the port number 3306 already in use. So I encountered this error. This error is very rare, but if anyone of you watching this video is getting this error, I already did a video by resolving this, and I keep it in the description. Please do check that. As this video is getting long, I'm not going to show you here.
Yeah, I just missed one part here. When I click on this start on MySQL server, it asks me the permission to allow MySQL, so I just allowed it. Make sure you also allow that. Just minimize this, and now we need to copy the WordPress folder to the Xampp folder. So first of all, reach out to the WordPress folder where you unzip it. Okay, wherever it may be. Yeah, here, this is on my way. Yeah, copy this and find the Xampp folder. See here. See, here is where Xampp. I need to open the Xampp folder, and here you need to open htdocs, and here you need to paste the WordPress. Yeah, it has been copied. Yeah, now after successful completion of copying the WordPress folder, you need to open Xampp control panel, and here under MySQL click on the admin. So this will open locally the phpMyAdmin page. See here, localhost / phpMyAdmin. So this page, it will automatically load for you. For by any chance if you get this error something like MySQL real connect access denied for user PMA localhost. See something like access denied. I did resolve this issue and I already made a tutorial and drop in the description. Please do check if you encounter this problem. If this page is loaded, don't worry. You need to click on this new database and you need to give the database name. Database name can be anything of your choice, but for this tutorial purpose, I'm just making it to WordPress. Simple. Okay, click on the create here. Database has been created. Okay. Yes, that's it from here. And once you create this WordPress database, you need to open another tab, and here you can search something like localhost / WordPress. Okay, as it is. Because our WordPress folder name is WordPress, that's the reason we are giving localhost / WordPress. This will load up the WordPress. Okay, here you can click on continue. English is fine. Okay, database name, username, password, and host I need to give here. So I can, yeah. Okay, you need to give the database name as WordPress and the username is root. And the password, you don't need to fill anything, just leave it empty. And the host is localhost. This is same. You need to click on submit. See here, if you see this screen, everything is fine, but some few of the users are facing this error like error establishing a database connection. Your localhost could not be established. So if anyone faces this sort of error, there is a link in the description. I already did a video on that to clearing this error. So yeah, for those who reach this screen, everything is fine. You need to click on run the installation. Then here you need to provide the site details like site username, means site title. For example, if my site title is tech answered, and the username I can keep something like admin, and the password, it is absolutely your choice. You can keep it like 1234 admin or whatever it may be. Yeah. See, as my password is weak, it is saying that confirm the user weak password, and that is fine. And I can give my email address and scroll to the bottom and click on install WordPress. So after this step, WordPress gets installed on my local computer. Then everything will be same. See here, installation has been completed. I need to enter my password admin details. I gave something like admin and admin and click on login so that now my dashboard of WordPress appears here. There I can install the themes and work with my WordPress. So if you do face any errors or issues, please do ask in the comments. Immediately I'll try to answer them, or I'll try to do another video tutorial on this. And check in the description if you face any errors. All those solutions will be available in the description. See here, yeah, from here you can apply new themes and you can work with your WordPress. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.